So this is all working, except that you can mix your case and that's a little bit of a problem. The key should always be in lowercase. So let's fix that. What I'm going to do is for instructor list, this get key, it's always going to convert it to lowercase. And then in the code over in my course instructors UI, where I'm making a new list, if name.lower is equal to InstructorList.getKey, then it's going to say that the name already exists. So it will prevent me from adding any mixed case combination of name that's already there for instructor lists. And I could do something similar for instructor names as well. And I will, but in the interest of time, I'm going to skip that. So add a new instructor list, CIS 233J, and error, instructor list 233J already exists. So that's good, because it was in there with different capitalization. Yay. But now if I say add CIS 234A, performing an update on the path ID would modify the immutable field ID. So I can't include ID when I'm overwriting the document. So what I want to do here, yeah, so I need to rebuild the whole database basically. And I did want to call, okay, all right. So rebuild the database. I now need to make sure that all of my instructor list keys are all in lowercase, so that they don't get changed when I insert the lowercase version. So that's a little annoying, but being a programmer is full of little annoyances, and just feel good when it's all fixed. Okay, so now my key should not change. So let's go ahead and rebuild the data and run it. And then we'll take a break if this works. So add a new instructor list, CIS 233J. Okay, so I am trying to change the case here. Instructor list.getKey. So instructor list to dict. So let's look at the to dict, because I think instructor list to dict I'm not downcasing. Yeah, so that's the problem. This needs to be get key now because they do different things. Okay. Actually, let me make sure everything's clean. So we're going to add CIS 233J. and then new instructor, Tara Tang. And then we'll add Walter. Oops. There was no instructor list named Walter. No, I just added an instructor list called Walter. Okay. New CIS 233J, Walter, Lara, no, print. Okay. And now if I try adding CIS 233J, oops. Select an item from the list. Actually, I'm going to skip. Let me try adding 233J in lowercase. And it said instructor list already exists. So I think I fixed everything. Let me go ahead and stop the program and run it again. And then all my instructor lists are there. And then let's print the contents of CIS 233J. And that's right.